LPS Cupcakes here, and today I just have a video of my two birds, Mike and Max. Right now they're out of shot, so there they are. Hi! But the one with the most white is Max, and the one with the most gray is Mike. And so they're just having a little blast today. This toy right here, I started to make a video for it, then the power went out, so I don't have a video on my channel yet. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Anyway, guys, this is just a short video. So anyway, like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!